abangina mono bunaga abayiru
Ogotigana na yo mwanchumulie na gosika mutuni gongo kumanyibuna ogotiani gwa kwa ba MCA ase chi county nigo gwakorekana litukolia rero ase ebuna enchera eyemoyo gochaka emirimo kigima ase miaka 5 eribusio oigo nigo obochogeri bo monogeri bwe county bwanyarako abogo korekana ase chi county egati yabo e county ya Bomet Trans Nzoia na boigo Murang'a era libagari ya bene gochora omonogeri bwe county bariko eneki obokore obuya ase emiaka 5 eribusio omoriketo Evelyn Osero noroboti rwasinchira iyo bwikiranu Ogotiani wakwa ba MCA na boigo kubachora banogeri ase county assembly nigo kogendrete ase county omuroberio chage territory ya Jumatatu chitariki 19 cy'omutienyoyo omuroberio yo nigo boigo genderera ritkoria rero ase ba MCA balya batiani wa bachora banogeri babo na boigo batiani werigo chaka obokoreri ase abananchi Cosmas Korir no monogeri bwe assembly ya Bomet
Cosmas Kipngetich Korir, having been elected as Speaker of the County Assembly of Bomet, do swear in the name of Almighty God of the County Assembly of Bomet.
Korir nigo boigo akambuya asogo chorwa nagoteba na chikurobo bokoreri borobuya ase county yo.
The journey to serve and meet the immense expectations and the needs of Bomet people has just begun. We all have a dream for a prosperous Bomet, and now it is time to settle down and work.
Andrew Wanyonyi oyochorwa buno monogeri bwe County Assembly ya Trans Nzoia nigateba mbachikubwaterana no mugavana nabo igabara ibande bonsi korwa bokoreri borobuya gochiase abamenyi be county yo.
To support our executive, His Excellency George Natembeya. He sold his manifesto to our people in the county, and our role is going to just assist him on oversight matters and help him achieve his objectives. So to the people of Trans Nzoia, expect good tidings, and our MCAs and our staff, better days are ahead.
Nere Johnson Mkuhu oyochorwa buno monogeri bwe County Assembly ya Murang'a ningateba munamba chekoenekia aba MCA monsi banyorere chingak chinyororo chiokorwa bokoreri boroburunke.
We will unite in seeking the needed assistance for MCAs to especially improve their working conditions and welfare. It is important to improve the welfare of MCAs. We should seriously better the lot of our legislators. In addition, we will, with guidance of the clerk of this county assembly, who is also the secretary of the county assembly board, come up with more strategies of motivating our staff and improving their welfare.
Nonyane chingaki ya rokanira banke babo bakwe murungania no wetu wa kwa marieta ya ba MCA egati ya bari aba ekorwanerero speaker se county ya Kilifi nigo be murungania chingaki ya marieta abo ati waisiko asibate batibara manyana seki asengencho mbabwatonsi aliaganeirie.
Having qualified, having met all the requirements in regard to their advert and also in regard to the standing orders of the House of the County Assembly of Wajir, it is unfortunate that they could not shortlist me.
The same members of County Assembly who signed for me have also signed for another applicant. So I'm here to express my discontent and dissatisfaction on the whole process.
Omuroberio yobanoni go korekana ase chinsemo na boigo abanogeri go chorwa abwase orache kogenderera ase chinsemo chinde koenekia aba MCA bonsi ase county emeronkene na isano na ibere batianiwe erego chaka obokoreri bwabo bene ngoripotire gataseni kya Ndizi TV eriatariane Evelyn Osero.
Mbia mano sana.